It's been there for like a week. I've really been avoiding dealing with this whole spider situation. Hello guys, long time no see. I've kind of ghosted this channel for 2 years, but I'm back and I already have 7 videos already filmed and edited, ready to go up. So like it's happening, like I'm committed. We are back from the dead. Although I've been gone from this channel for a while, you guys probably have seen me over on my main channel, Brianna Renee. I upload there pretty much weekly. So I haven't been gone from YouTube, I've just been gone from this specific channel. But I wanted to bring it back because I just kind of wanted a channel where I don't have to try as hard. I feel like with my main channel, I get really stressed out about things that I upload, like there's a lot of pressure with everything, and I just want a channel where there's no pressure. I can post whatever I want, and if videos flop, that's fine. If they do great, cool. I don't care. I'm going to post whatever I want. That is what this channel is. So I thought a fun first video might be to just show you guys like my room in its natural state, because normally when I do a room tour, I spend the entire day cleaning. Like I'm sweeping, I'm vacuuming, I'm ironing things, I'm just like cleaning up to the max, like deep cleaning, which I never do unless I'm filming like a room tour. Today I have not cleaned a single thing. Like you guys will see some dank stuff, but this is real life. This is my room and I'm going to show you guys. So when you first enter in my room, I have some wires sticking in right now because we have a dehumidifier out there. And then we have my calendar right there. I have a basket of, it's not laundry, it's like clothes that I'm wanting to get rid of. Then we have my Gucci shoes. I have a trash can. I have this pillow which I used to kill a spider. It wasn't really a smart idea because now I have like spider guts on my pillow and I don't know what to do with it. So I kind of just like set it there. It's been there for like a week. I've really been avoiding dealing with this whole spider situation. Anyways, I also have a mic down there. I don't know why it's on the floor. It really shouldn't be. I have a fake plant. Then we have my dresser, which is not looking too hot. On my dresser, I have this little jewelry stand and I have a little poof there, which I literally bought for the sole reason of my Instagram feed. Basically, if you don't follow me at Brianna Renee, I've been doing like monochromatic pictures. So if I want to do like a yellowish greeny outfit, I'll probably just like casually hold my keys with like a little poof on it, but really it's on purpose. Then I have a UB notebook. I have this like motivational like book that's supposed to help me with social media that I have not read. As you can tell, I have lots of motivation. I have this in case my nose gets runny or like something spills. I don't know, not the cutest thing, but like practical. Then I have a bunch of like camera stuff, camera batteries. I have some memory cards. I have some Advil and some nail polish. I apparently get a free tan, so that's fun. I have sunglasses, a bunch of nail polish, a camera lens, some random pencils and markers, my moisturizer in case you wonder what I use, and then some paper that I use to kill a bug. It sounds like, okay, I'm making it sound like I have a lot of bugs in my room. This bug flew in when I opened the window. It wasn't like in my room, like I promise. I'm not like gross, but there was once a spider in my room and there was once a bug in my room. Then we have this mirror here. Hello guys, it is me, the tour guide. I also have some pillows down here. I have a hangy plant, which honestly might fall at any given moment. I'm not sure. I have a cactus. I have 2 candles. This one is my preferred candle. Now my bed is normally actually really cute, but my pillows are over there and I have pillows over there and I am standing on my bench now, but I didn't want to, ow, I stepped on something sharp. This is the reality of having a messy room, but I didn't want to make my bed for this video because the whole point is like not cleaning anything or making it cute. This is my reality of my room right now, but I promise my bed's really cute when it's made. I'm just now realizing that I'm being very defensive in this video about a lot of things. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna like chill. So right here I have my nightstand and I have a really cute light, I have a cute book, I have a cute candle, I have just cute things by my bed. At the bottom of my bed I have this blanket, which I honestly had a little bit of higher expectations for. This is from Etsy and it like sheds the little things like this all the time. So I have random things like this all over my room, which is kind of annoying, but I don't know. I guess that's what happens when you get blankets like that. Next to my nightstand, I have
all of my plaques because I'm so successful and so famous.
No, I'm just kidding. I actually don't even know like how I got those plaques. I feel like definitely not a million people watch me, but I got the plaque anyways. Next to that, we have my window, which I love. Natural light makes me so freaking happy. And then I have one of my many glasses of water in here. Ugh, it's kind of old. I also have a Fujifilm camera. I have my real camera, which is just randomly in the middle of the room. I have one of my box lights. I do have another one. I think it's upstairs. And then we just just have some random mess here on my rug. I don't really know what's happening, but that's there. Then we have my nice little shelf situation here that I will show you guys. So on my shelf, I have my Louis Vuitton bag, which was gifted to me by the Real Real. I have my Daisy Love Marc Jacobs perfume, and then I have this little black rose that I just got for Valentine's Day, and then I have a random plant up there that's just my nice little aesthetic bougie shelf area. Along my ledge here, I just have some random things. I have my EOS hand cream. I have these clips, which I got from Amazon. I have these makeup clips that like don't dent your hair that I also got from Amazon. Then I just have some random products there. I have more random products. I have brushes. I have all my makeup, which is a huge mess right now because I took a mirror pic not that long ago, but all my makeup looked kind of bad in it, so I wanted to move all my makeup out of the picture. But the picture looks like it was really chill and I just like casually took it. I didn't. I literally moved everything that was on the ground out of the way, so it kind of caused a big mess in my room and I didn't clean it up. Next to my super messy makeup area is my super messy desk. So I just have my chair here. I have my laptop, hard drive, I have some markers that I was using for my whiteboard, I have my iPhone, and then I just have this drawer set that I guess I will show you guys what's inside. And here I just have a bunch of receipts, super fun, I know. And then I have my scrunchies in here. This drawer is a little more fun, I actually love this drawer. And then here I have two-piece sets. And then under that I have my camera equipment stuff. And then at the bottom we have bikinis. So that concludes my realistic, what is that? Oh, that's my shirt. I was like, is there another bug in here? No, it was my shirt, okay. So that concludes my super realistic, relatable room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was actually really fun for me to film. I'm so excited to have the second channel where I can just post things like this because I would never post this on my main channel. So I'm super excited that I have this and I'm just gonna mess around and have fun and do the thing. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at Brianna Renee. Subscribe to my main channel, I guess. I don't know what I'm supposed to promote on a second channel. I don't know how to do this. I'm a rookie. I will see you guys next time because I already have videos pre-filmed, so this is happening. Okay, bye.